Okay, yo, so we're here trying out the new mic. I hope y'all can hear me. But we're here getting it in. Listen, for 2026, I'm definitely doing a competition. All natural. I don't know if any of y'all can fuck with me. All natural. No subs. All natural. No PEDs. All natural. Uh, I'm already at whatever body fat percentage, We just got to tone it up and make sure that we win because I want to win. I've been not doing these competitions because I just don't want to be judged by nobody. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Like, I just never understood how some people can win and some people can't win. I feel like there's a lot of politics involved, whatever the case may be, blah, 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 blah. It don't matter. But I'm going to go 2026. I'm going to do a competition. Okay? I'm going to get a coach because I need to be coached, right? I don't know everything. I only know what, I have come to accumulate over the time of my knowledge and fitness, right? But I need to get somebody that's more involved in the competition side of it to help me out because I'm trying to win. And also understands politics. So I'm trying to get the right coach to win. Y'all already know what it is. Rastaman here. And yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be the 51st vlog. Today's the 31st. I'm going to try to get it out today to try to end the year off good. I definitely reached my goal of 50. That's what I wanted. I'm so happy at that. We're at 50 vlogs. Make sure y'all check it out. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, we're going to... Okay. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Anywho, I'm going to take y'all through just like my little shoulder workout. This is one of my shoulder workouts. It kind of switches up every week because I don't want to be doing the same thing every week. So like journey with me. So always when I start, let's start with light weights. Nice and light, right? We're trying to build muscle. I'm not trying to be the strongest man in the world. That means nothing to me. These muscles mean everything to me. Why? Because it makes me look good. Right? Okay, so I started off with a 10 and a 5, like 15 on each side. Now I'm working my way up. My rep range is usually like, 10. I try to do 10, and as I get higher, I do a little bit less, right? It becomes 6 to 8. And I always increase the weight. Oh, yo, make sure you're breathing in your workouts, yo. You don't want to pass out. The breathing gives you the extra strength. Don't forget to breathe. Make sure you drink water. Okay, we got your phone cock up because I need a spot. Okay, What is this? This is now our 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth set. Fifth set. What is this? 35, 45, 55, 65, 165.
One, two, three.
You're good, man. Thing didn't drop. I was holding the thing all the time.
Try to kill me. Lord, please. See, I know he would jump out the way. Okay. We're at our sixth set. I usually try to do between 5 and 8 sets. That's usually what I try to do around that set range with the regular rep range I told you before. Okay, so last one, because I'm not doing more. Okay, let's go. Well, anytime you're horny, oh, you have to call me. I'm walking 20 miles, come with the Johnny. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck. God.
Oh my God. Sometimes I'd be like, why do I come here and torture myself like this? Lifting weights that weigh more than what I weigh, over top of my head. I just love it. It's like a mental thing for me. Like, I'm not gonna let these weights beat me. Just be in the zone. But then after I put it down, I'd be like, why the fuck am I doing this? But then I stand up and look in the mirror and I'm like, yeah, I know why. Okay, so now we got our raises. This is what has my traps looking the way they do. I don't do very much trap exercises, but I do a lot of raises.
Oh, that's one set.
And we're going up. Definitely doesn't get lighter.
but the reps do get a bit less. Oh my god. Fucking struggle buckets. Go through your bitch. Holy fuck. Oh my god. 10.
Fuck this shit. Okay, so the 30s nearly killed me. So I gotta bring it back down a bit, because good Lord, Jesus Christ.
Same 8, same 8. Keeping the same rep range. Oh my god. My hands more than anything. Killing me. Okay. Hey. 12, 13, 14, 15.
Oh yeah, y'all already know we start light. My arms are kaput. This is exercise number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. It's just set. I don't know. As you can clearly tell, I'm over it. Shoulders is not my favorite day, by any means. But yeah, anyways. God! Oh, we made it. Top of the hill. Just kill me. Fuck. Anywho, that was my shoulder day, just a piece of my shoulder day. I also do abs, but I'm not gonna show you that because that's gonna be something separate. I try to do abs every workout because, as you can tell, your core is very important to help you do a lot of the lifting that you're gonna do, right? And your core is important for life, general life. Anyways, make sure you like, you follow, you subscribe, you do all of that good stuff. Okay? More gym content is coming because you're going to journey with me on the road to getting my pro card. Because, you know, when I do something, I got to do it big. And I'm going to win my first. I'm going to win my first competition, and we're just going to snowball from there into something big and gigantic. Okay? Make sure y'all journey with me. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Okay? Make sure y'all get fit. Make sure y'all make y'all daily deposits because investing in yourself is very important. And you already know what it is. Rastaman here, in, out, and yeah.